Primary drying phase optimization in pharmaceutical freeze drying. Did you know that optimizing the primary drying phase in freeze drying can reduce production time by over 20% without compromising product quality or GMP compliance? In today's video, we explore how pharmaceutical manufacturers are revolutionizing lyophilization. Freeze drying stages: freezing, primary drying, secondary drying. Primary drying is the longest and most energy-intensive step in the lyophilization cycle. During this phase, ice sublimes under vacuum, transforming directly into vapor. Without proper control, this step can result in collapsed cakes, poor product stability, or extended drying times. Traditionally, fixed shelf temperatures and pressures were used safe but inefficient. With modern optimization using dynamic models, we can now cut drying times by nearly 20%, ensuring batch productivity without quality compromise. Development, calibration, optimization. A stochastic, dynamic model simulates how changes in shelf temperature and chamber pressure affect product temperature and sublimation. It considers vial position, chamber heterogeneity, and real-world energy balance to build accurate drying profiles. Key parameters: product temperature, sublimation rate, ice layer thickness. Compared to standard protocols, the optimized drying method reduced time from 24 to just 18.2 hours. All vials central and edge retained excellent structure, passing GMP quality checks with no rejections. Secondary drying animation, SCADA systems. This method not only saves time, but enhances compliance, scalability, and cost efficiency. It's a game changer for modern pharmaceutical manufacturing. FAQ section: how to primary drying. Phase optimization in freeze drying. Reduce time by 20%. Question number 1. What is the best freeze dryer for pharmaceutical manufacturing? The best freeze dryer depends on production scale, regulatory needs, and process requirements, with top brands like Milrock, SP Hull, and IMA Life often preferred. Question number 2. What features should I look for in a pharmaceutical freeze dryer? Look for precise temperature control, vacuum integrity, SIP capability, and 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. Question number 3. Why is vacuum control important in pharmaceutical freeze drying? Vacuum control ensures sublimation occurs efficiently, which is critical for preserving product integrity and potency. Question number 4. What size freeze dryer is ideal for small-scale pharma labs? Benchtop or pilot-scale lyophilizers with modular scalability are ideal for R, D, and small batch production. Question number 5. Is validation support necessary when choosing a freeze dryer? Yes, full documentation, DQ, IQ, OQ, PQ, and validation services are essential for GMP compliance. Question number 6. What are the leading freeze dryer manufacturers in the pharmaceutical industry? SP Scientific, Telstar, Milrock Technology, Martin Christ, and IMA Life are industry leaders. Question number 7. How does lyophilization improve drug stability? It removes moisture at low temperatures, enhancing shelf life, potency, and transport stability of heat-sensitive drugs. Question number 8. What type of shelf temperature uniformity is required? A high-end freeze dryer should maintain Zheng4, Fu4, 1Du4, C uniformity across shelves during primary drying. Question number 9. Can I integrate SCADA or PLC controls with pharmaceutical freeze dryers? Yes. Most modern freeze dryers offer SCADA, PLC integration for automated process monitoring and data logging. Question number 10. Are there freeze dryers with nitrogen backfill and stoppering systems? Yes. Many GMP-grade freeze dryers offer nitrogen backfill, automatic stoppering, and advanced control systems. Subscribe for more pharma insights. Visit acetafreezedryer.com. Want to know more? Visit our website to explore cutting-edge freeze-drying technology tailored for your pharma needs. Want to dive deeper? Read the full article and explore more insights on acetafreezedryer.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for more pharma innovations. Thanks for watching.